Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Find My iPhone grayed out problem in iPhone or iPad. If you're using any iPhone or iPad and you're facing the issue that your Find My iPhone has been grayed out, so let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing you have to simply go to your settings app, and here whenever you try to open your Apple ID, and here just go to Find My, and you might see that Find My has been disabled or has been grayed out. So it might be that your location services are disabled. So what's happening is we just have to simply go back and just go to security or privacy and security section. Select this, go to location services and try to enable location services from here. If you might see that your location services has been disabled or has been grayed out itself, so it might be that your phone has some restrictions. So it's simply go back from here and just go to screen time section, go to container privacy restrictions and disable all the restrictions from here, or you can manually go to location services, just select allow changes and then enable it from here. You can also try to relaunch your settings app, then go to privacy and security section, go to location services, enable the location services from here. You can also further go to system services, go to significant locations and enable significant locations for your iPhone. And once you have enabled, just simply go back and just go to your Apple ID, tap on Find My, and here you can easily disable this from here if you want to disable or enable this. Or if you might see that you're unable to enable or disable your Find My iPhone, it has been grayed out. So it might be that you have enabled stolen device protection. Now to fix this, just go back and just go to Face ID and passcode or Touch ID and passcode, and here just enter your iPhone passcode. And you just have to look for stolen device protection. Here, just look for stolen device protection. Select this and try to disable this from here. Once I've disabled stolen device protection, or once you try to disable stolen device protection, it might be that you have to face a security delay of 1 hour. So after 1 hour, yeah, we will be able to disable stolen device protection. And after disabling stolen device protection, you can easily disable Find My. So in this way, you can easily fix if you found my iPhone has been grayed out. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.